Respected all the dignitaries present on the dais, and the speakers from foreign countries, welcome to India, and all the participants sitting here. A warm good morning to all of you. I am Hemant Sharma, Section Officer from the Ministry of MSME Government of India, and I am looking after the International Cooperation Division in the Ministry. First of all, I would like to congratulate NCHSD for organizing this wonderful international conference on export marketability of Indian wooden handicrafts. Export is, one of the major contributors to our GDP. So, since incidentally I am dealing with the international cooperation scheme, the main agenda, the main aim of our scheme is to capacity build the MSMEs to enter the export market. And the theme of the today's conference is also related to export. So, let me give you a brief background of this international cooperation scheme. See, MSMEs are the backbone of India. There are around 63 million MSMEs in India. That was a survey conducted way back in 2017. So around 63 million MSMEs are there, and MSMEs contribute considerably to Indian export, and also around 30% to Indian GDP. But while exporting, they face certain challenges due to which they are not able to untap the full potential, export potential. Challenges are due to the lack of trade-related information, tariff information, export market, right export market. With how many countries we are having free trade agreements, higher testing quality charges. There are many issues which we face while exporting products. Incidentally, I have received this material prepared by NCHSD. They have quoted some challenges, let's say high shipping cost, logistic costs, compliance certification issues. There are numerous reasons why our MSMEs are not able to untap the full potential of export. Keeping this in mind, Ministry of MSME has formulated the International Cooperation Scheme. Under International Cooperation Scheme, there are two major components. First is the Market Development Assistance. Under this component, we help the MSMEs to explore the international markets. There are two sub-components to this. First are the participation in international exhibitions and fairs. We shortlist the top exhibitions of various countries on the basis of recommendations received from our embassies. And then we, through the industry associations, leading industry associations of the country, we ask them to go to those fairs, to purchase stalls there, to exhibit the products. MSMEs go there, they can exhibit their products and they can find orders in those markets. That is a way so that they can enter those areas, those markets, and sell their products. And once they have generated that order, they have developed relations with the clients, they can further go continue to export their products to that country. And under this component, we give reimbursement of the stall charges paid to them, the airfares, the freight charges, and also the advertising and publicity charges for the stalls. We assist each and every MSME for that. Second is organizing these type of conferences. The core agenda of the ministry for organizing and assisting these conferences is so that more and more MSMEs can become aware about the new technology, changes in demand, what sort of our foreign speakers can guide, what are their latest experiences in their own country, what are the new initiatives they are taking, so that MSMEs can learn from them. It's not, everything cannot be tangible. So we want that MSMEs should learn, and they can also develop B2B linkages in these type of conferences. So this is the main aim of organizing these ICs. Second component, we thought that majorly our MSMEs are facing the reimbursement of cost related to export. When you export a product, there are certain costs which are to be paid by any company. So we identified three type of costs. First is the RCMC charges, the registration of membership fees which the MSMEs have to pay to the Export Promotion Council when they export products. Annual fees is to be paid to the EPCs. What we did is we have decided to reimburse this cost, the RCMC charge paid to EPCs on annual basis. We will reimburse this cost to micro and small enterprises. Second cost is testing and quality charges. This is one of the major challenges. The testing charges of the products are too high. So for certification of those we reimburse the amount to MSCs through NSIC. Third component is the export insurance premium. We reimburse the premium which you pay to ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. You purchase the small exporters policy from them, and we will reimburse you the premium you pay to ECGC Limited. For first component that I told you, RCMC, we have signed MOUs with 20 export promotion councils of India, so that you go to them, you take their membership, and we will reimburse that membership amount to you. So in this way, ministry is doing their bit to assist you in getting, well-versed or capacity built for entering the export market. And I request all the MSMEs present here to please visit our IC scheme website to please know what are the initiatives we are offering, how you can avail these facilities, and ministry is always there to welcome each of you with open arms. Thank you so much.